Thank you for joining me today. I want to do a video that covers a tool that is very useful for artists that love to draw. And it's a tool that I think every artist should use and have handy. It's saved me quite a few times. The tool that I'm talking about is an electric eraser. And so let's find out if it's worth it. First, let's cover the pros and cons of an electric eraser. First, let's talk about the cons. There isn't any. Just kidding, there could be. First, it does require batteries. Some of them are very expensive, but you can find cheaper ones. Some work better than others, so sometimes you need to buy a few till you find one that works for you. Other than that, I haven't really found any other cons. Pros, the great things about an electric eraser is you can erase fine details. You can use it to create highlights on your drawings. I've seen many artists do great things with it, like making hair look more realistic. It works great for skin textures and other types of textures. So let's try this eraser out and see how well it works. This eraser is pretty easy to hold. The only difficult part is after pressing the button for a while, my hand starts to get a little tired. I also noticed that the eraser holds onto a lot of the graphite, so I have to use a piece of sandpaper to clean it off often. But it does work really well with cleaning up my drawings, getting rid of all the reference lines, getting the really small areas that are usually hard to get with a bigger eraser. I noticed as I was drawing hair, it was a little awkward, only because it started spreading the graphite and I was trying to get some really defined highlights. So it took some patience and some reworking to be able to make it work for me. If you ever end up getting graphite on your hands and smear it on your paper on accident, you could always use an eraser and erase it off your hand real quick. Also, changing from the small one to the bigger one is a little difficult because this one is pretty tight inside there. So you may need some pliers or something to help if you struggle with that kind of stuff. Overall, this is a pretty good product. It works really well. I haven't really had any issues so far. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you were able to get some value out of this and were able to draw a really nice picture. And please comment below if you have any questions or if you have any requests on things you'd like to learn how to draw. And please like and subscribe and check out these other videos I have. They cover the fundamentals of drawing and as well as other drawing challenges.